day to you folks. So it's the rainy season here in the Philippines and it's really cold. Now here you have, or what we have here is the completed number 144 HGUC Crossbone Gundam X1 full cloth, which is again a P Bandai exclusive. Now as you can see here, I just only have him half without the cloth, half with the cloth, so you actually have to swap up a part to put the cloth here. So you have to remove this part here too with this cloth and make him into the full cloth. Now this part here actually is part of his armaments. You have this skull here wherein you could put it here and be part of the part of the cloth, as you see here, or you could remove this and make it part of his armaments, which by the way, if you put over the hand and close it, becomes like a boxing glove. Now what else do we have here? We also have the Peacock Smasher, and as you have noticed, yes, I have painted most of it, and actually all of it, because I do not use stickers or the sticker sheet. They tend to get off, you know, from time. So we have the Peacock Smasher here, again the Core Fighter without the boosters, of course, again painted, one of its armaments. Then we have one gimmick here, which involves the pistol and the saber. So if you bend this or rotate, I don't know, this much further and flip this up, you have to remove this part here, put it back up here, and plug this to in. So it becomes another new weapon for him. So this is part of its gimmick as well. Now I won't go further into the review like the articulation or anything, because it is actually the same as the they call that, it's actually really the same as the Crossbone Gundam X1 full cloth type GBFT. So there are lots of reviews about this kit and I won't be doing it. Instead, I can just show you what are the P Bandai exclusives that we have here. So actually there will be a part swap for the front skirts, for the scissor anchors, as you can see here. So you're going to swap out the front skirts for this one, wherein you have two wires. Actually this is just one wire, but you have to cut it to make it into two. Attach these parts and to make out the scissor anchors. And of course one more armament here. Again, this tiny wire is also provided as a P Bandai exclusive to have this gimmick. Now all in all, aside from the color alterations, actually I love the color alteration from the previous one, from the type GBFT, because from the type GBFT most of the white parts is pearl. This dark color here was actually previously a somewhat brighter, more bluish. Now it's more purplish, blackish, which is actually fits it more better. Now I know it's been 7 years since my last vlog and I don't really want to go further in the review because there are lots of reviews, but thank you for taking your time and listening. Again, this is Mixer Wars. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon again.